Welcome. In this video I will show you how to switch between PC and AV modes on your Samsung's ViewFinity S6. So first of all, you're gonna have to reach for the joystick on the back side of your monitor, press it once to open the on-screen display, then drag it up to highlight menu option and press the joystick once again, and here you're gonna have to select the system on the sidebar. To get here, you're gonna have to drag your joystick either upwards or downwards until you highlight the system option, and press the joystick once again. And here you're gonna have to scroll down to PC/AV mode, then select the input source for which you want to change this mode, for example HDMI, and here you're gonna have to select between PC or AV. And this way you can change the settings. To exit this menu, just press drag the joystick to the left several times until the on-screen display disappears. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.